Hurry. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Early in the morning, very nice, easy and delicious recipe. Before going to work, I'm already very nice dressed. Today I have a couple of meetings before I start to cook in my restaurant. So now, healthy, delicious and easy to make pumpkin pancake, guys. Yes, no flour, something super healthy and super delicious with this special kick of the sweetness of this very nice and gorgeous pumpkin. All right, let's see the ingredients. 100 grams of very nice chopped pumpkin. In this case, I use this Japanese one. You can use any pumpkin you like. 2 eggs, 10 grams of melted butter, 15 grams of sugar, and 175 grams of milk. First step, we're gonna boil for around 20 minutes our pumpkin in the way we're gonna make it soft to make a super delicious pumpkin. All right, switch on the fire, 20 minutes. Our pumpkin, guys, after 20 minutes, is well, nice, cooked. Now we make our pumpkin pancake. Here we are, 100 grams of pumpkin, 175 grams of milk, 50 grams of sugar, 10 grams of melted butter, and 2 nice high-quality eggs. 1 and 2. I have this tool, but you can even do with the fork. We mix everything in the way we're gonna make a super delicious cream. Here we are. Perfect. Now it's time to pumpkin pancake. We switch on the fire. Use a nice no-stick pan, guys. Always. I'm gonna help myself with this very nice tool to make a round, nice, small pumpkin pancake, guys. Let's make the first pancake. Here we are. 1. And here we are! Look how gorgeous are these pumpkin pancake, guys. I'm gonna add some nice whipped cream on top. And ladies and gentlemen, our homemade, super delicious and easy pumpkin pancake are ready. And the best moment, my breakfast before going to work. This is super healthy recipe, guys, but you know, Chef Paul, I'm super happy today. I have a lot of meeting. I have some very nice whipped cream on top. Mamma mia, mamma mia, so delicious, guys. Sweetness with the pumpkin give a really special taste. Let me try this without the cream. Easy to make, healthy. You can eat plenty like this. If you want, you can put cream, you can put homemade jam. Check my recipe, I make so homemade jam at home, the orange one. It's very nice with this pumpkin, and you will love it, and your children will love it. Easy breakfast, easy to make, healthy, high protein, good for our body, guys. So, next time here in my kitchen for you, and remember, stay hungry, my friends. See you then. Bye-bye!